You've been invited to this video simply because March is about to be one of the best months for a lot of people who take advantage of what I'm going to say. If you're someone who's wanting to work remotely, if you're someone who's wanted to get your health back on track, if you're someone who wants to have purpose, if you're someone who just wants to do something other than just work, and work, this is for you guys. I'm going to not only be bringing a side hustle for you, I'm going to be bringing a lifestyle for you. A lot of people are going to do exactly what I say, and they're going to just be opened up to the world because they're going to start thinking clearer. They're going to change their bad habits that can literally be giving them brain fog and keeping them suppressed. And I know there's a lot of different opportunities in the health and wellness space. I can't say that I have the best thing smoking, but I would say great products. That's where this thing really stands aside. Formulations in-house, hundreds of testimonials, and I can't even mention some of the testimonials just because they're too crazy, and I don't want to, be putting out any claims or anything. I'll let you see that for yourself, especially if you're someone on Facebook. Just drop testimonials in the comments, or just drop how in the comments, and I'll put you in a group and you can see it for yourself. But I was sealed after this. Company's been running strong for about 6 years, I want to say, and people are staying. 94% of the company are customers. You can't beat that. And a lot of business models that we've seen over the years, if you're someone that's been in the industry, it's becoming a recruiting thing. Most of it is around recruiting. In this business, you can build a substantial income just off of customers. People who don't recruit, people who don't, talk about the income side of the opportunity, and they just offer the products to other people. Perfect. And that's the type of business I want to be in. I was already in the software space because of that, because I just wanted to link the average or the ideal client with the ideal software. Simple. I didn't want to really be talking a lot about money anymore. It got boring to me, but this kind of woke me up a little bit just because it's in my space. Natural health is my space. I just haven't brought it to the internet because I didn't want it to overshadow anything, because money was the thing I always talked about on my social medias, but now I can bring them both together. So I have a video that I'm going to send you guys to who want more information. That's going to explain. It's going to be like 35 minutes of just breaking down everything that I have to offer right now, and exactly how to go from A to Z, and exactly how to build an income online. We have amazing mentorship. My success team is amazing guys that are doing the numbers. So you don't have to worry about being around people who are doing the numbers, and they're doing the numbers with what we call a regular approach. They're not really doing reels. They're not really doing all this fancy stuff that we do in this new age marketing, and still getting results. And I'm going to show you my twist on what I've learned over the last few years on how to get quicker, eyes to your websites, etc. But this is amazing, man. And I'm going to break everything down for you. So whether you're seeing this video on Facebook, YouTube, all you have to do is look in the description for info, or if you're on a platform like Facebook, comment health is wealth in the comment section, and I'll shoot you some information.